In this problem, I'm going to write the equation of a linear function from the graph. So the first thing I want to do is just find, looking on my graph, some exact points. So it looks like this point is at 0 for x and -3 for y, and this point is at 2 for x and 1 for y. All right, so now we need to find the equation of the line. And the first thing we do is find the slope. And the slope goes, let's see, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2. So we just find y2, which in this case is 1, minus y1, which is -3, all over x2, which is 2, minus x1, which is 0. Now, because we're being asked to find the equation of a linear function, this would be in, generally, if we're not given the graph, it would be in function notation. So we'd have f of 0 equals -3, and our second point is f of 2 is equal to 1, where it's in that format. This is my x, and this is my y. All right, so moving on, we've got 1 minus a -3, which would be 1 plus 3, and that's 4. 2 minus 0 is just 2, so my slope is 2. And now I need to find the y-intercept, and this one is actually given. So here's my y-intercept. It was at 0, -3, so that y value, that is the b. Okay, and the final step is to write my equation, and it would be in the format f of x equals mx plus b. Since we're in function notation, we would just replace y with f of x. And so we would get f of x equals, the slope is 2 times x plus b, which is -3. So it would be -3. And there's the equation of our linear function.